So we had you look at these hand bones from different aged people, starting with a 3-year-old, then a 4-year-old, a 10-year-old, and an adult hand. You made comments on what those differences and similarities that you may have observed. One thing that can see is that as these red circles appear here, you'll see comparing the children's hand and the adult's hand that there are large spaces between the ends of the bones in the children's hands. There are gaps between the bones, they're not as close. We see, look at individual bones and they get longer. The bones in the adult hands are longer. In each age, their bones are a little bit longer compared to each other. We can see that there are wrist bones in the younger people's hands that are hard to see. They're little kind of square rectangular bones in there between the arm bones and the finger bones. But in the adult, they're easy to see. The wrist bones in the adult hand are more visible. I was wondering, is that because the bone is denser or harder? So we can see that there are gaps or spaces between the bones in a younger person's body, in their hand at least, and that maybe the bones are harder or denser as you get older, and that the bones get longer in proportion to each other.